Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Mary Lou. I share this channel with my twin sister Monica. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before we get started. If you aren't new, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup office reorganization because a couple of weeks ago I did reorganize my room and I ended up changing my vanity to my computer desk and my computer desk to actually a setup where I can film. My husband ended up buying me a new camera, so I told myself I need to get this. Plus, if you guys don't know, I am 24 weeks pregnant and I've finally felt like myself and finally decided to be like, yo, get your shit together. And I've been wanting to do this for a while. It's not the organization that I want, but it will work for now. My Ikea drawer is a hot mess. Like I said, I ended up changing my computer desk, so I had to move everything that I had in there. My vanity to my computer desk. Did I say that? Into my Alex drawer, so I had to move all my makeup that was everyday use in there, and it's just been piling on because I've been receiving makeup. And yes, like I said, it's not the organization that I want, but it will work for now. It will have to work for now. It's for me just to get more organized, and I will manifest what the organization that I want, be happy, bring good attitude, you don't know, all that jazz. Like I said, I've been feeling a lot better. I've been feeling like myself. But if you guys want to know more about my mama stuff, being pregnant, do go follow me on my channel. I just started it a couple weeks ago. Not even a couple weeks ago, last week, trying to get videos up to update you guys. But enough about that, because that's for the other channel. I'm going to do a time lapse organizing my stuff, and if you see me different, it's obviously because it's a new day. It is pretty late right now. Well, late to me. It's 8:22 right now. 8:22, and I'm usually showered and in bed by now. But like I said, it's because I've been feeling a lot better, and I figured that I'm in the mood to clean and reorganize. I don't know how this video is gonna go, so bear with me. But let's get started. this is what the after looks like. It's a lot neater. So I ended up putting my brushes, give you a better view. I ended up putting my brushes up here along with some lippies and some eyeliners. Lippies and then eyeliners. And then my mirror. And at the bottom, I have foundations, and then primers, and then all setting sprays. And then back here I have concealers. And then all down here are some of my palettes that are mainly used. I have some of my palettes in my Alex drawer behind it on the side. Hi, Rimples. But mainly because I wasn't using half of the palettes, just because they were all literally shoved into the Alex drawer, which this is more convenient because now I can see them like so, and I can pick out whatever I need. Give you a view from the other side. And then here are my concealers that I was talking about. And these are from Target. I bought them from the bathroom section. And then these as well. These cups are from Target as well. And then, woo. And then this is actually from Home Goods. I bought it like 2 years ago. And I actually had my lipsticks in here, but it works so convenient for my brushes, so I can just pull them all out. So yeah, that is the overview, and a lot more neater than having everything stuffed in my Alex drawer.